So I'm just going to take some of the glue out. So guys, jajang curry is done.
영재. 아. 야지. 쓰려야 돼. 됐어요. 응? 아 진짜 그렇다. 이 춥다 영재 아들이 날씨가. 아유 춥다.
Look at him, guys. Such a big boy. He keeps calling himself baby, but look at him lie down on the bed like a big boy. Oh, cutie. Show mama. Show mama. How do you do? Youngji, show mama. Oh, look at his panda sweater. My mom made this for him when he was like in his first year, right? He's 2.5. अभी भी आ रहा है. मतलब third year of wearing this. So guys, today is the day that I'm going to color my hair. I just have to add some hot water to this and let it sit for like 15-20 minutes is okay, but then I'm going to exercise before I apply this. तो थोड़ी देर बैठा ही रहेगा इसमें. Oh, he's making space over there for himself. ये देखना. Achha, you saw me and then took a break. What? You were licking my feet, bad boy. Chi? Yucky. So guys, this is the workout that I did, and you can see that I'm breathing heavily, which is good. My body is warmed up. Sif 5 minutes. That was literally 5 minutes. Very easy move. So guys, I just did one part and I barely had any sweat, but thoda bahut to aaya hai. So why am I mentioning about my sweat is because I could feel like 2 pimples yesterday. One was here and one was here, like still there, very small, like you can feel something below your skin, like some sort of deposit. And I feel like in summers you naturally sweat a lot, or itne hi workout mein you'll sweat so much more that everything really gets drained, like all this gunk easily gets drained out of your pores. But in winters it gets blocked because it's dry. Secondly, you're not sweating so much. Like itne workout mein I would sweat triple the amount of what just happened right now. So that's why I just wanted to say exercising is so important, because in winters that's the only time you'll sweat a bit. I mean, you'll have to take steam and all of those things to either get this gunk out of your face, but sweating is the best and that really helps. So guys, I'm ready to apply my hair color. I just want to show you the amount of white hair I have over here and even here. I just want to also let you know that I'm applying it for the first time after years, like after having Youngjae. So it's not going to be, it's not going to be like in the first time I'll get the hair color, because these are natural hair colors and they take time. But if I'm consistent, that means if I apply it once a week, I will get the color within a month's time. And you never know. I mean, I've been like oiling my hair and at least I've been eating right. So let's see how it goes. So guys, I know I look funny, but very quickly, I'm just going to leave it on for 1 hour or 1.5 hours if Youngjae allows. And I've cleaned up everything, as you can see. Youngjae is already feeding his cat. Can I, Youngjae, see? Oh, you are hungry. Youngjae is hungry. So today guys I have made tofu paratha for him, but I have not put mushroom. I've actually put spinach that is growing in a kitchen garden, and some shredded carrot. Guys, my lunch today, some mooli and all greens ka mixed veg with little bit of tofu left from Young's paratha, eggs, chutney, लहसुन का अचार, yogurt and roti. What are you doing, Youngji? Youngji, what are you doing? It's not your bed. Is it your bed? Pehले he used to eat jade and now he started eating this. Guys, he's totally enjoying himself and I'm letting him play because my dad is eating lunch right now and he can't see what he's doing, otherwise I am dead. And this is a Christmas tree that I made for him yesterday with glue gun and whiteboard markers and on butter paper. Let me make something today and then show you in the evening. Now it's almost going to be 2 hours and I still haven't taken shower because I've gotten busy with him. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा मिट्टी में खेलने दूँगी and then I'll go and take shower. वैसे you can see the colors turning purple and that's because of the indigo in the hair color.
I'll show you how to make Korean noodles. It's same as a Maggi or why I don't know. I don't know. So this is Korean and some onion and 1 egg. That's it. Nothing else. So first I prepare the 500 ml of water, and when it's boiling, we put the noodle in it. This is my style. Finish.
That's a very big face. I'm just asking. Iloa. Irana, why are you smiling? I said, then why are you smiling? If you're sleeping, then why are you smiling like that? Young J. Young J. Goody, 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 goody. Goody, 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 goody. Young J. Young J. अच्छा उठेगा नहीं. Mama will wake you up, don't worry.
It's 5:30 and it's a bit dark outside, but I'll also show tomorrow. But today itself,
I can see the difference.
yeah, can you see? I don't see my white hair so much. Like ये बिल्कुल roots पे here. Maybe I didn't actually cover them properly, but first time only pretty good, yeah. So guys, this is the exact same spot where I applied henna yesterday. And even though we are not vlogging today, I did tell you that I'll show the result today instead of yesterday, and I just want to show you. So I did get a lot of coverage from this. These are the socks that we got from Daiso last year when we went to Korea, and they don't have this anti-slip thing which is usually there in kids socks, so that when they wear it and move around or run around they don't slip. So I'm going to make it in my own way, DIY anti-slip through this glue gun, and I just wanted to show you guys also. So I'm just going to take some of the glue out and thoda sa nikal ke just spread it around, make it a bit flat. It's no these things, so they so they wanted to come out and play, and this is what is happening. This whole dress is now going to get white. It's maroon and blue, but it will soon become white. The longest he wore his shoes and socks for. बस अब निकल गए. Let's see what is he going to do. Youngji, you want socks? Youngji, shoes and socks and everything.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
So the clothes have started becoming white. I didn't have any jewelry for Diwali, so I got this idea today from on internet to make your own choker. So I'm trying to. My mom had all these gotas, so I'm trying to make a choker for myself. It's almost done. So in one plate. Okay, now in the pork oil itself, you can see a lot of pork oil is there. I'm going to cook all the vegetables. Best thing about Korean cooking, put everything together in this pork oil. One of that. So now all the vegetables are nicely cooked. Now just add pork back. Jajang powder, lots of it. Once it starts boiling, then I'm going to reduce the heat and I'm going to let it cook for like some time. So guys, jajang curry is done. You can see the sauce. Can you show what have you got? What did Mama give you? Mama got big animal stickers for Young Jay.
A bird. Look, a sheep. How is she?
This plane has barely survived. Now Young Jay is trying to
I made it yesterday only.
attach. Nahi, yes.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yes.
Yesterday.
Guys, it's 12 o'clock and he has decided not to sleep. I didn't know, man, with his energy levels. It's not like he's sleeping a lot in the afternoon, but maybe because it's winters. Because they're not burning so much energy. Yeah, so yeah, in the evening they usually play inside. It's not like he's going outside to play. But he played in the terrace a bit. ऐसा नहीं कि he didn't run around, but yeah, I guess.
Not sufficient ना. 6 बजे से पहले खत्म हो जाता है.
Anyways, we are going to end the day over here. Good night. I hope you all had a great day. Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night. Anju, good night. Daddy has made a masterpiece of his own.
Oh, I know. It's my height on eventually.
I know.